This is our mini cutter. If you ever have to go into tight corners, this is a much smaller cutter, even tighter corners. We have this, which is a larger cutter with a cleaner here. And we'll cut this 1/2 inch copper pipe. So this is how we do it. Put it right into the throat, as we call it. Balance it. Whatever length you need. Get a good grab on it. Even if you have to use a piece of rag, you could grab it with a piece of rag. And you turn very gentle. First turn. Rotate. A little bit. Turn here again, a little bit at a time. Rotate. A little bit this time. You could even go this way. Doesn't matter which direction you go. Just rotate, turn a little bit tighter, rotate, keep turning. Not too tight, it's a little tight. We don't want to put too much pressure on the cutting wheel. A little bit more pressure, rotate till it get into the groove. Should be able to get through there soon. There we go. It's cut. And this time you got this one here. You see that little burr? You don't want that burr. So this will take away that burr. Then take that. Make sure that's clean. Next step is the sandpaper. We got a compromise here. This piece of pipe. That'll compromise there. So, by right, if you notice that, it's not wrong. We should cut that off. We must cut that off. So we don't want to take too much. Put it right into the throat. Not much to hold on to, but just go gentle. Keep going. It's kind of hard to hold on to that little piece of pipe. If you must, you could put a pliers in it, but you don't want to crimp it. So we're going to try and hold on to it and try not to tighten that too much so we don't get too much of resistance. Every time it gets slack, every time you get a little slack, you turn it in. Okay, here it comes. Cut right through. There we go. We get the deburrer. Emery cloth. Give it a wipe. Now are we ready for the connection? We have this one here that we just did. Give it a wipe. Take the flux out of it. It may not look like it's soldered, but it is soldered. Now if we get to join the pipes again, if we can do any more joining, don't forget we're going to put some paste here. Put a little bit of paste inside. Paste all around. And if we're going to be doing, this is a coupling, so should give it a clean. This is a coupling, we'll be joining it. Give it a clean. Give it a clean. Piece of emery cloth. Shine it up, clean it up. Look at that. Put a little bit of flux on that. Both sides. Put a little bit of flux on that. And if we will be putting an elbow, we should do the same thing. Give it a little bit of cleaning. Like that. Flux, flux, flux. Flux, elbow in. Flux. It's in there. If you want the pipe, you want it to go that way or up, however you prefer. But this is for demonstration purposes. Once we have it like that, okay, we'll try and solder it.